straight. I forgot to get gas, and now there's no chance that I'ma be on time. First shit on my window. What the fuck, just got it clean though. Crazy traffic on the 10, my stomach's giving in. Shit, I gotta go. Just when the day can't get any worse, I hit my elbow and damn that shit hurt. Can't find my phone, left it at home. Elevator is broken, so I took the stairs. Opened the door and I got you were there. And in 1 second I walked into heaven. It's been the worst best day ever. It's been the worst best day ever. And even though it didn't go my way, just me and you made it okay. It's been the worst best day ever. We walked into the cafe. Of course they messed up your frappe, but I see you don't mind, and maybe it's time I started living that way. Never felt this high when I met someone. You just made rock bottom so much fun. I'm liking this one-on-one. I thought my day couldn't get any worse. You're such a good thing, today that's the first. A smile so infectious, wanna see it for breakfast. It's been the worst best day ever. It's been the worst best day ever. And even though it didn't go my way, just me and you made it okay. It's been the worst best day ever. You got me seeing things so clearly, baby. All I needed was you. That's why it's been the worst best day ever. It's been the worst best day ever. Worst best. And even though it didn't go my way, just me and you made it okay. It's been the worst best day ever.
This dance is called Best Days Come. It's a 32 counts, 2-wall, high beginner level line dance. Starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Side behind with sweep. Step right to right. Step left behind right and sweep right from front to back. Weave. Right foot behind side cross. Side behind with sweep. Step left to left. Step right behind left and sweep left from front to back. Weave. Left foot behind side cross. Section 2. Right foot side behind side. Cross rock side. Left and right. Left foot cross rock side. Right foot cross rock side. Left step, lock step. Section 3. Syncopated rubber box back, right and left. Right foot side together back. Left foot side together back. Step right back. Make a quarter left turn, stepping left to left, facing 9. Walk forward, right, left. Section 4. Side step right. Flick left heel behind. Replace left. Flick right heel behind. Replace right. Flick left heel behind. Replace left. Touch right heel forward. Quarter turn left. Back on right. Facing 6. Touch left heel forward. Left foot side together forward. And begin to dance again. Let's do the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, no tags, no restarts in this dance.